In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place and modify trades in Tradingview with Topstep. Whether you're just starting out in trading or you're already familiar with the basics, understanding how to effectively use Tradingview's tools can make all the difference in your decision-making process. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk through how to set up a long position, define your risk and reward levels, and finalize your trade with precision. And if you're new to Tradingview, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Tradingview chart and identify the area where you'd like to enter a trade. This step is essential because your entry point should be based on your analysis, whether it's a support level, an emerging trend, or another pattern you've identified in the chart. Taking the time to pinpoint your entry ensures that your trade is grounded in strategy rather than guesswork. Next, locate the long position tool in the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. The icon looks like a box with an arrow pointing upward. Once you've found it, click on this tool, and then click on your chart at the desired entry point to place the long position tool. Now, don't worry if you don't get the placement perfect right away. You can always adjust it later to fine-tune the position. Once the tool is placed, you'll see a visual trade plan appear on your chart with green and red zones. These zones represent your profit target and loss zone, respectively. Adjust these areas by clicking and dragging their edges. Stretch the green area upward to set your take profit target. This adjustment tells the tool where you plan to exit the trade if it moves in your favor, effectively defining your reward. Similarly, adjust the red area to represent the zone where you're willing to accept a potential loss. These adjustments are critical because they set clear boundaries for both your potential profit and your risk. Now, right-click on the entry line and select Create Limit Order. This step ensures that your trade will only be entered at the price you specified. Using a limit order gives you greater control over the execution of your trade, as it prevents you from entering at an unfavorable price due to sudden market fluctuations. Next up, let's focus on setting stop loss and take profit levels. From the menu, locate the options to set your stop loss and take profit. Start with your stop loss level by dragging the red line down to your desired price. Alternatively, you can enter the price manually if you prefer. The stop loss acts as a safety net, automatically closing your trade if the market moves against you beyond a certain point. This is a vital risk management tool to protect your capital. Once your stop loss is in place, set your take profit level, drag the green line upward to the price where you'd like to lock in gains, or like before, you can enter the price manually. This ensures that your trade will close automatically when the price reaches your profit target. By setting these levels, you're essentially automating your trade management, making it easier to stick to your plan. And for the final part, double-check all your settings before placing the trade, review your entry point, stop loss level, and take profit level to make sure they align with your trading plan. This quick review helps avoid any mistakes or misalignments that could impact your trade. Once everything looks good, click the buy button to place your limit order. At this point, your trade is ready to go, complete with all the necessary risk management measures in place. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.